Okay, P27 update. So when you're given a pad like this and you're requested to do a manual state vector update, these are essentially all of the numbers which are coded into the computer so that you have a proper state vector. And this is all those random numbers you see when you do your uplink. So this is called the voice update or manual state vector update. And it's pretty simple. They give you a time and they give you what to key in. So you do verb 37, enter 00, same procedure as a regular state vector update. And then you do verb 71, enter. Now from here, you're going to enter the index. So this is going to be on 304, noun 01. You enter index 21. So you enter 21, enter. And now you do 01501, enter. 00001, enter. 00146, enter. 21732, enter. 00257, enter. 30543, enter. 77773, enter. 71120, enter. 61650, enter. 44536, enter. 10271, enter. 34144, enter. 12003, enter. 30412, enter. 05776, enter. And 25726, enter. And from this point on, you will just get the 330 here, flashing 2102, and proceed to accept. And that's it. Verb 37, enter. 00, enter. And that's going to load up in the computer for a little bit. And at this point, it's a good idea to make sure you do a nav check to ensure that all of this data has been entered in properly, because it is vital to your survival. So enter the GET. Proceed. And out spits the proper coordinates. 2658, 889.95. And that's very close to what we have on the pad. Very small discrepancy. So that's pretty much how you do the manual state vector update. Thank you.